Yes, I'm very grateful to God and universe that He gave me this opportunity. I'm very grateful to you, Amol sir, and MRM community. I'm very blessed that I achieved this. I got this opportunity. When I joined this community, I'm very nervous, anxious, fearful. I don't know what is going to happen. I'm like, why God doing this with me? Why me only? Every time I'm fighting with myself, with God, but not get any clarity, not get any positivity. I'm just confused when I joined this community. But today I'm completely different. I can see the changes. I can see the miracles all around me. I can see the opportunities around me. It's like all सब कुछ था मेरे सामने but मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा था. It's like that. I am now I'm peaceful, I'm happy, I'm enjoying every moment, and I'm maintaining this energy throughout the day. I can see like I can feel that I'm on my way to become a better version of myself. I some of my visualization I mentioned in the comment to some of my visualization like related to my career are becoming true. Like I assume that my boss is saying good job, perfect, good Vinita, and that is coming to every day. I joined my current company 2 years 1.5 years back, but in this 1 year I received good job for one or two times. But from past few days after joining this community, I'm just receiving it almost every day. Every day I'm receiving a good words from him, from my team. I'm very happy. I'm feeling the happiness, positivity, peace, love, confidence, high energy inside the me. I'm literally enjoying these ritual. I'm not saying I have to learn a lot. Like I don't know how to meditate. नहीं हो पाता है मुझसे. I'm trying my best. I'm learning, and I will learn. I'm growing. I'm learning, and see, I can see the. I want to share one of